Hey everyone, I wanted to make a quick video showing you how you could use your iPhone or an Android device as a web camera. Say you're going to take a course through, say, Kaplan University or another online university. This might be an option for you, a free option to get a webcam. If you would go to this website right here and scroll on down, and you will see download drivers for Windows or Mac. And then you want to also go to the App Store and download that app right there. Once you get that done, open the app on your phone and make sure it's connected to the Wi-Fi. It should, if your computer's connected and discoverable on your network, you should be able to connect to your computer through the software over the Wi-Fi network. And in that case, you could just plug in a power cable and make sure that your phone doesn't die while you're using it as a webcam. If not, you want to plug that USB cable into your computer and then click the gear wheel on the screen through the app and change it to USB connection type. So once you get that done and you can see yourself just like you would be filming if you're using the camera app, search for Archibot and then click that link there. This is going to test your browser for an online meeting room, which is kind of like what Kaplan University uses. And scroll on over. And as you can see there, the iPhone is working better than most web cameras, and it was free. I paid for the paid option. It was $8. I figured developer did a really good job engineering this, and they deserved $8. I mean, saved me money because I didn't have to buy a webcam, and this is a good option for a lot of people. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for somebody, and good luck with your class.